Yes, everyone, your FR paper for Jain 2026 exam is over. I'm here to give you a short review of FR paper. And I'm very happy that for the first time, students have said that this time the FR paper is not lengthy. FR paper is not lengthy, unexpected. Because normally we expect that FR paper will lengthy and a student will not be able to manage 100 marks question paper in 3 hour time. But most of the students have attempted 100 marks paper. Correct, wrong, that is other point, but they have attended 100 marks paper, means good news for the student. Now from my point of view, this time the FR paper was moderate, easy, manageable. It was manageable. Most of the question from ICAI study material from our expected list, of course it was manageable. Means any student who have a conceptual knowledge and have done our expected list of questions, they will be able to attempt 100 marks paper. There were some questions which were out of book, out of study material. Of course, if they know the concept, they can handle that type of question also. Means from my point of view, I'll give this question paper 9 out of 10. Means from a student point of view, it was welcome question paper. Okay, yes sir. Now you need to comment in the comment box how many of you think that question paper was easy, how many of you think the question paper was actually tough. From my point of view, it was manageable, it was easy only. Now coming to question number 1, first we'll discuss in brief about what descriptive question, then I will come to MCQ question. Okay, question number 1, consolidation question. As usual, it was a mandatory question and similar question we have. They have only modified some point of the question, they have taken some point of the question from other question, combined it and given. But similar question we have in expected list. I will say manageable. And many students have messaged me that they have also tallied the balance sheet. Good news. Wow. Question number 2A. Once again, it is a question of financial instrument. Expected question from my expected list. Manageable. You know about this concept and you can easily handle this type of question. Okay, sir. Question number 2B, this was a question from India's 1 classification of current asset and current liability. Once again, good question, similar question we have in our expected list. Okay, coming to question number 3A, this question was taken from, it is actually from India's 16 property plant equipment. I will just say about this question. Actually, this question has been taken from old scheme of CA finance syllabus. And trust me, this question I was having in my question bank, which was 9th edition, but after 9th edition I have deleted this question from my question bank because of expectation of student, because now student don't want much question in question bank. I was forced to delete this question. I was expecting this question someday they will ask this question in exam, and now they have asked. You only say whether I should delete this question or I should not delete the question. I will just update you. If you want a proof, in my 9th edition or 8th edition, the same question we have, this question they have taken from old scheme of CA finance syllabus, but I was forced to delete this question as per the requirement of student. Nowadays you don't want to do multiple questions from other sources. What I will do, but same question was in my study material, but now it was not there, so I can say out of book. Now I can say out of book. One thing, if the question is not in my question bank, it will not be in any other question bank. Okay, but similar question, but I will say you can manage this question exam if you know India 16. Okay, sir. Question number 3B, this question they have taken from India's 12 income tax. Once again, super easy, super expected. Once again, from our expected list, super easy. Then coming to question number 4A, this question they have taken from India's 105. Once again, super easy, super expected also, was in our expected list. Okay, sir. Question 4B, grant India's 20. How they can ask this type of question of 8 marks? Super easy. Trust me, super easy question in our expected list again. Okay, sir. Question 5A, this was the question for India's 105. India's 105, always they will ask a new question. This was also a new question. I will say if you know India's 105 concept, you can handle it, you can manage it. Okay, but a new question is always take more time in exam. So I don't know whether you have done it correct or wrong. Let's see when I will release the suggested solution, then we'll understand whether you have done correct or not. But this was a new question out of book. It was a question of India's 105. Coming to question number 5B, it was actually a question of India's 101. Once again, super expected, and this time I was saying this question will 100% come, and now this question has came This was a reconciliation statement. But normally students don't revise in day 101. So if you have not revised, I hope you might have not miss, you will not be able to do it. Okay, sir. But once again, from our expected list, question number 5C was theory question. Theory question, of course, you can manage. There was a theory question of Ind AS, and I think there was one more question, you can read it. Coming to question number 6A, question number 6A was from professional ethical duties of chartered accountant. This was also a new question out of book, but if you know professional and ethical duties of a chartered accountant, of course you can manage it. Coming to question number 6B, once again same to same question we have under Ind AS 19. Again our expected list question, of course you can handle it. Correct. Coming to question 6C, it was similar question of Ind AS 113, means same to same question we have, but in this actually to calculate what will be the fair value under income approach or market approach. Then you need to give weight. In the question in our book and study material, they have given the valuation, only we need to do the average. Only in this we need to do calculation. So if you know the calculation, you can manage it. Otherwise, quite possible you have done wrong. I hope this was the your descriptive question paper. From my point of view, if you ask me, it was totally manageable. Now coming to you can see this is the entire description of descriptive question paper. You can download. If you want to download this PDF from my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel, the link of that channel is given in the description of this particular video. Now coming to MCQs, I will not discuss, but I have already drafted the entire MCQs question solution. Entire MCQs question solution, but I will not discuss right now. It is not a time to discuss all the MCQ solution. From my point of view, you should now think about AFM. I always say that whatever has been done can't be undone. So think about AFM, don't think about FR. But there are many students who are messaging me for the answer keys of MCQs. For them, I have already, you can see I have already solved entire MCQ questions. Option has been given. You can download this particular PDF from my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel, but I will not discuss. I will discuss after the exam. Okay, sir. So I will wait. You need to also wait for the discussion, because right now I will wait. You will think in a negative way if you have done wrong answer. Your each negative thought will affect your AFM marks. My suggestion: go take a little rest and go for your AFM preparation. Now what you can do, you can change the marks of AFM, you can't change the marks of FR. Okay, sir. But if you want to download it from my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. This was my FR review. From MCQ's point of view, what I will say, it was also manageable. All the questions were manageable. There was no difficult question in multiple choice question. It was quite lengthy. Some question it required calculation. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. All the best for your FR marks and all the best for your AFM preparation. Bye bye. All the best. Love you all.